Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. Today we've got the real-world highway fuel economy test of the 2021 Lexus RX 450h. We're going to head out on the highway, do 50 miles out, 50 miles back, averaging 70 miles per hour to get a realistic highway fuel economy average for this car. Before we get started, hop out, take a quick look at it. This beautiful blue paint, I think it's called Celestial Blue F-Sport package, giving us these bigger black wheels, more black sporty looking accents. No sunroof, interestingly, on this one. That might help a little bit with fuel economy. If you want to see more on the Lexus RX, check the links in our description for our Mark Levinson audio test as well as our full review. So why do we do this test? Well, the EPA highway fuel economy test, which gives this Lexus 28 miles per gallon, that test only averages 48 miles per hour. We know there are people who take their cars on long trips, steady state on the highway, and would like to know how they could realistically perform in the real world. So to do that, we're going to head over to the pump here, fill up, go out on the highway, do 50 miles out, 50 miles back, come back, fill up at the same pump, using the same fueling method, and give ourselves a result. We will be using premium gasoline for this test. Okay, that one is not working. Let's go to another one. 1.790 gallons going in. Before we actually start up the car, we're going to reset our GPS. Set the climate control to 73 degrees auto. Should be noted, ambient temperature today 31 degrees and tire pressures are set to the door placard 33 psi. Reset our average MPG on the car. Reset our trip meter as well. We are ready to begin. Now, there are a few different drive modes in the RX. Eco, Normal, and Sport. We're going to be doing the test in Eco. Now, the goal of this test is not to hypermile, but rather to drive efficiently and effectively as someone might on a long road trip. So we're going to get up to highway speeds at a safe clip. Set our cruise control to a GPS indicated 72 miles per hour. 72 miles per hour should allow us to average 70 miles per hour over the entire test. It looks like setting the car to 73 should get us 72 on the GPS. And we are good to go. We'll catch back up with you at the end of the test. In the meantime, enjoy this time lapse of the entire trip. Coming into the final mile of the fuel economy test here in the RX 450h. Not very impressive. We're looking at 25 miles per gallon flat according to the trip computer. Test has been very uneventful, super smooth. We got up to 70 mile per hour average pretty quickly, so I ended up dropping the speedometer to 71 miles per hour. Still 105 miles per gallon. So we'll see what our actual readout ends up being when we get to the pump, but so far not impressive. One thing worth noting is the trip computer is quite off from the GPS. At 101.2 on the tripometer and 103.4 on the GPS. Pretty big discrepancy there. Maybe that'll play into our result. We'll see. Highway comfort, other than that, has been very good. A little bit extra wind noise than I was expecting in this car. The Escalade that we just tested yesterday was a good bit quieter. Mark Levinson sound system is very good though. If you want to see more on that, check the link in the description. We're going to take it nice and easy right across the street here, back to the gas station, get ourselves a result. Well, this is unfortunate. The gas station is closed. Are you shitting me? Huh. Well, that's what I get for trying a new gas station. Unfortunate. So, we have stopped. We're going to turn the climate control off here. 25 miles per gallon according to the trip computer, over 104.2 miles. I guess I'll drive over to the other gas station and fill it up, even though that's not going to be very scientific of a number. 104.3 at this new station. Let's fill it up and see what we get. Curiosity's sake. 3.805 going in the car, so 104.3 divided by 3.805 gives us 27 miles per gallon. I don't know, guys. This is unverifiable because it's two different gas stations, but we'll probably just have to do this test again, which I really don't want to, but we'll see. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a mini test and we'll try to verify it, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more on the RX, check our links in the description. We'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.